2025 Suzuki Mehran, the people's car, reborn. Presented by Focus All Motors. Welcome back to Focus All Motors, your go-to channel for real-world automotive reviews and specs. Today, we're revisiting a true legend, one that defined affordability and simplicity for decades in Pakistan, the Suzuki Mehran. Now, for 2025, Suzuki has done the unthinkable. They've brought the Mehran back, refreshed and upgraded, while keeping the spirit of the original intact. If you're curious about what's new, what's improved, and whether this comeback is worth the hype, keep listening. What's new for 2025? Smart simplicity. The 2025 Mehran introduces several key upgrades that bring it into the modern age without losing its low-cost appeal. Here's what's changed. EFI technology, the outdated carburetor has been dropped. In its place, a reliable electronic fuel injection (EFI) system, improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. Digital display, a modern digital instrument cluster replaces the old analog dials, simple, easy to read, and even a little stylish. Exterior tweaks, redesigned bumpers, a restyled front grille, and optional LED DRLs give the Mehran a cleaner, more current look. You also get new body color options beyond the old-school gray. Updated safety, the 2025 model comes standard with a driver-side airbag, anti-lock braking system, ABS, and rear parking sensors, major improvements from past generations. Basic infotainment, a basic touchscreen system with Bluetooth and USB ports is available in higher trims, offering just enough tech for the modern commuter. Better build quality, interiors have been slightly refined with improved plastics, tighter panel gaps, and better seat cushioning. These changes may seem minor, but together, they make a big difference. Engine and performance, familiar but efficient. Powering the 2025 Suzuki Mehran is an 800 cubic centimeters 3-cylinder EFI engine, producing around 40 to 45 horsepower. The car remains light and nimble, with a 5-speed manual transmission for smooth urban driving. It's not going to win any drag races, but here's the real win: fuel economy of up to 20 kilometers per liter in city conditions. Whether you're commuting to work or running errands, this car keeps costs down. Design and dimensions, same soul, fresh look. The compact, boxy shape of the Mehran remains, and that's a good thing. It's easy to park, great for tight streets, and instantly recognizable. However, Suzuki has modernized it with sharper lines on the bonnet and sides, new headlamp and taillight designs, more color variety including white, silver, blue, red, and a new urban gray. Wheels remain 13 inches, perfect for maneuverability and low-cost tire replacements. Interior and comfort, minimal but functional. Inside, the 2025 Mehran is simple but now a little smarter. Fabric seats with better cushioning. Basic AC system that's more efficient. Power steering and front power windows in higher trims. Digital instrument display with fuel, trip, and engine indicators. Optional 2-speaker sound system with Bluetooth/USB connectivity. Still no luxury here, but everything you need for an affordable city ride. Safety and practicality, real progress. Where the old Mehran had virtually no safety features, the 2025 model addresses this with driver side airbag, anti-lock braking system, ABS, rear parking sensors, 3-point seat belts for all passengers, engine immobilizer for added security. It's still a basic car, but now one that takes safety seriously. Maintenance and affordability, the Mehran advantage. Here's where the Mehran truly shines. Low running costs, dirt cheap spare parts, and easy access to mechanics across the country make it unbeatable in ownership value. The resale value remains strong, and Suzuki's dealer network ensures support is always within reach. Verdict: 2025 Mehran, back with a purpose. So, what's the final word? The 2025 Suzuki Mehran doesn't try to be something it's not. It stays true to its roots as an entry-level, budget-friendly city car, but it finally joins the modern age with must-have upgrades. For students, small families, first-time buyers, or even ride-share drivers, it's still one of the smartest ways to get on the road. Thanks for tuning in to Focus All Motors. If this review helped you or brought back some Mehran nostalgia, drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more real-world car reviews, both big and small. Until next time, stay curious, drive smart.